Hey guys, so this is why I said I was going to have to rethink my fan plans. So, anyone who's followed me for a while knows that one of the fans I always wanted for the kitchen was a brown 38-inch Four Seasons, preferably K63. And so I was very excited to find not that, but arguably the cooler version, which is the Calcutta knockoff. And I'd been meaning to try it in the kitchen for some time. And was originally going to get some brown blade arms cast because I only had these, but determined that I liked these. So, um, yeah, I've been wanting to try this combination here for a long time. Um, and what I didn't realize is that that was when the air shadow was over here. So that's why I wanted a brown small fan over here so that it would complement the air shadow. And I don't dislike this, but I don't like it nearly as much as I thought I would. And I really liked having the K63 ANG here, even though it was way too big. So I might be playing with that some. But I wanted to do a video of this first. Because who knows what's going to end up being the final solution. I will say about this, I put this up on one of the same mounting bracket as the ANG. If it had its actual Calcutta mounting bracket, it would probably hang about an inch or two lower, which I think would help to even out the difference between the two a little. But yeah, it's been a long time since there's been a dark colored fan here, which again was originally what I wanted. And now, that was when there's a dark colored fan over there. And even the new tone was darker, and there's a Terra there briefly, and that was darker. Yeah, so I'm not sure. I'll get what you guys think. Nia, do you have any comments?
No.
You don't care?
It's smaller than I expected. It looks smaller, like the profile. It looks smaller than
Mm-hmm.
it's not bad.
No, well, there was originally a smaller one there. I'm not sure if you remember. Like there was only a big one there. I think the first big one was the ERS, which is the one that lighted up the housing, lighted up.
Yeah.
Before that, everything over there was small.
I guess I just got used to it.
Yeah, same. Okay. Alexa, first floor fans low. Nope, wrong floor. I guess I'm still very tired. Alexa, main floor fans low. Oh, see, now that one stalls out. Alexa, main floor fans medium high. Alexa, main floor fans low. Alexa, main floor fans medium. Alexa, main floor fans medium high. Alexa, main floor fans high. That one seems like that's wobbling a little worse. Let's check up on that. Alexa, main floor fans off. Doesn't look any different. Looks like this will be the second one to stop. Okay, well, whenever Nia's not working in the kitchen for a length of time, there's one other thing I'm going to try. Thanks for watching. Bye, Fanstick.